بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على سيد المرسلين. Welcome back again. I hope you are doing well and safe. As you know, many people, when they want to try to use Linux, normally they download the ISO file for their distribution, and then they burn it to a flash memory, or imaging the ISO file to a flash memory. And then they can use this flash to boot their computer, and they start learning and trying the Linux. But after a while, maybe they want to use their flash memory for their data storage as usual. But they discover that when they plug in their flash memory into the computer will not recognize the flash memory as storage space, so they cannot use it to store normal data files. So in this video, I will show you how to restore and recover your flash memory so that it can work as usual to store your data on it. For example, I have here a flash memory that I burn Fedora Linux to it, and after a while I want to use it for my normal data storage. So when I plug it in my computer, and I will plug it now, as you can see, it shows here the message. But when I go to File Explorer and click this PC, as you can see, it shows you like this one. So in this case, you cannot use this flash memory for your day-to-day storage files. So in this case, if you want to recover your flash memory, there are many ways, but I will show you one way. We need to run the disk management utility that comes with the Windows. So I will press the logo, Windows logo, and then write this command, disk mgmt.msc. Now, as you can see, it shows here the logo. Of course, to run this application, you need to be administrator. So I will run it as administrator. It asked me for administrator password, so I will provide an administrator password because currently I am logged on as a standard user. Once you run that application, if I maximize it, by the way, these are two hard disk, internal hard disk in my laptop. This is the flash memory. As you can see from the partitions here, when I burn the Fedora Linux to it, it divided into these partitions, and these partitions are not usable in Windows. So in order to bring back my flash memory, simply I can delete these partitions. But from here, I cannot do that. For example, if I want to delete this partition, if I right-click, as you can see, the delete volume option here is disabled. Again, the same thing for this one. If I right-click it, it only gives me this menu help. So this tool is cannot be useful for me right now. So the only way to recover your flash memory is through the command line. So I will close this. I will show you that now. I will close that application, and I will press logo and CMD. Again, I have to run this as an administrator. So I will click run as administrator. Again, it asks me for the password, administrator password. I will provide it here. Then I will say yes. Now I am in the command prompt, and I am running it as administrator. Now I will write disk part. We will use the disk part command, very famous command, and you press enter, and then you have to type list disk to see all your storage devices in your laptop. Now from here, you have to identify your flash memory. I have disk 0, disk 1, and disk 2. Now from their sizes, I can see that the disk 0 and disk 1 are my internal hard disk drive, and disk 2 is my flash memory. So I have to select this disk 2 I will type select, sorry, disk 2. This is the way you select, and you press enter. Now it says that disk 2 is now selected. But to make sure, I will rewrite the command list disk again. Now, as you can see from here, there is a star here next to disk 2. This indicates my disk 2 is now the selected one. Now, once we did this, now we will issue a command, which is very easy, and it says clean. Now, this is very important command and very dangerous command. If I press enter now, it will delete all the partitions on that flash memory. So I will press enter. I have to wait a little bit till it says to me disk part succeeded in cleaning the disk. So now I can exit from this disk part. Again, another exit to exit from the CMD. Now I can go back and run the disk management tool from the GUI. Again, we will run it as administrator, and I have to provide my administrator password. Now, once we are here, as you can see now, it delete all the partitions from my flash memory. Simply now I can create a partition here by right-clicking and creating a new simple volume. Next, I will keep the whole size, and then you can give it any drive letter. Next, you can give it any volume label. For example, I will write data, and then next, and finish. Now, once it finish creating the partitions and formatting, you will be able to use your flash memory. If I go to the File Explorer, again, this PC, I think, I don't know why. Let me see here. If I unplug it and plug it again, let me see here what's going. It seems it didn't format it. I don't know why. So I will, from here it says raw. I will right-click again and format, and I will give it a name data, for example. Then I can choose the file system. I will choose FAT32. Click OK. Now, after it finish formatting, yeah, now it's formatting. Sorry, I write data, which I should write data. But anyway, now my flash memory is recovered, and I can use it. If I double click it, as you can see now, you can simply store your data. I hope this video was useful for you, and see you in the next videos. Take care.